Hi everyone, this is Jaya Karamchandani and sharing today with you the repeated numbers in your date of birth and what does it mean as per the Lo-Shu grid method. So before I dive here, a disclaimer or a caveat here that what I'm about to share may not hold true for all of you, but this is one of the ways where you predict based on your date of birth and what it means. Don't forget to share this episode as well, but if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and give us a like here. So starting with number 1, if you create your Lo-Shu grid as per the example shared on the screen, you take your date of birth and add your entire date of birth. Let's say if you add your date of birth, you get 23, then you add that 2 plus 3 also gives you 5. So whatever numbers you have, you add to the grid. Where you got 8, just add 8. Where you got 1, put the 1. But if you want to know more about how you can create your grid, I'll leave the description below, the episode where I have talked about how you can create your numeroscope as per the Lo-Shu method. Now if you have number 1 in your date of birth one time, it tells that someone who is unable to express themselves. But if you have number 1 repeated twice, it says that this person can communicate very well. They speak well, they have clarity about what they want to talk about, and people understand what they are talking about. In the same way, if you have number 3 repeated 3 times, it talks about someone who's talkative, maybe a chatterbox. If you have number 1 repeated 4 times, it means someone who has so much of high energy in the sense that they could be very hyper. Their mind, they are unable to relax, or they have sometimes even difficulty in communicating with clarity what they are talking about, because mind is always thinking. Now, if you have number 1 5 or more times, then problem is you may notice they may have some speech issues. They have so much going on, they have great ideas, they can't express, or when they talk, they're not focused, they're not able to have the point across. If you have number 2 repeated once, this talks about someone who's very sensitive. But if you have number 2 twice, it talks about someone who's sensitive and emotional, but they get hurt very easily. If you said something, they misunderstood, they feel hurt. Or if you don't even tell them what you are about to do or what you are thinking, they feel hurt and ignored. Good thing is they are very intuitive. Now if you have number 3, what it leads to, in addition to being hypersensitive and emotional, they become a bit of reclusive. They are always thinking something and they don't even realize how aloof they have become. If you have number 4, if you have number 2 4 times, it makes the person impatient. They become finicky. They lose that energy and focus, so they make rash decisions. And the same way if you have number 2 5 times. These people may have the attitude of looking beneath at others, or they complain. They're not happy. They find fault with the things. Now, may not hold true for all, as I shared, but this is usually what if you have the numbers repeated. If you have number 3 repeat 3 once, talks about someone who has clarity, good speaker, they have great memory, and they speak with clarity. Here, if you have number 3 twice, this says that someone who's creative, who communicates pretty well, and when they communicate, they bring that charisma that people really want to listen to them. Now, if you have number 3 3 times, this talks about someone who is a dreamer, who has a lot of imagination, and it also means that they think so much that their dreams are not connected to reality. They daydream a lot. And if you have number 3 4 times, so I would say that over imagination can make them paranoid. They may have habits of either washing their hands all the time, or wherever they sit, they clean again and again, or even the clothes they want in a certain way done, the food done in a certain way. Some habit, it is because the energy is so much of number 3, they are unable to control. The imaginations are onto a different plane. It may lead to that. Now, number 4, if you have 1 time, it talks about someone who likes to look clean, keep the place neat and tidy. They like to keep things done in a certain way, planned and organized way, but they are a bit conservative. But here, number 4, if you have twice, it talks about someone who gets creative, a bit flexible about how to approach things or do things, but they may be a bit materialistic. And here, if you have number 4 repeated 3 times, it talks about someone who's hardworking, likes to get things done, not just talk about, but they have a lot of mental energy going on. Good for them would be to get involved into yoga or meditation. If you have number 4 times, so this is someone who you would notice in life very much involved with the physical labor. They do things maybe into the profession that relates to hands, like the architects or the sculptors or painters. But on the creative fields, you also need to look at the numbers. But overall, repeated number 4 talks about someone who's more involved into physical labor. Number 5, if you have ones, it talks about someone who loves freedom. Lot of emotions, but they know how to balance. They're caring as well. If you have number 5 twice, talks about someone who does lot of hard work, and the lot of determination helps them get things done, not just talk about it. But number 5 3 times talks about someone who talks, not does. They talk so much, and when they talk, they don't even think. They have no filter, and they enjoy travel as well. Now, when 3 5s, they talk a lot. They don't think how they are approaching. But here the same way, number 5 repeated 4 times, they make rash decisions, impulsive talk as well. That may lead to some accidents or relationship misunderstandings as well. So something to be taken care of and pay attention to. If you have number 6 1 time in your date of birth, it talks about someone who loves family, who's a caring and loving, and they keep their home surroundings very clean, and they are great advisors as well. People approach them with their issues and they like to consult them. If you have number 6 2 times, talks about someone who's creative, but because they worry so much about what the family is doing, where they have gone, what they need to, it kind of becomes dominating. And number 6 3 times talks about someone who's very temperamental. Mood swings are a lot. Number 6 4 times talks about someone who's creative. They have a lot of energy, but what happens is they don't fit in the environment. They don't know how to get along with the team, or their ideals are so high they don't feel that they belong in the group. But overall, number 6 energy is very high. Number 7, if you have 1 time, it talks about someone who succeeds in life. After learning through the tough lessons, they go through some struggles or hardships that teaches them important lessons. If you have number 7 twice, it talks about someone who thinks a lot but is very spiritual, or they may also get drawn towards occult sciences. If you have number 7 3 times, it talks about someone who either gets a fraud or suffers some losses, or the fortune doesn't knock the door easily. They go through struggles on and often in life. Might have some health issues. Number 7 4 times talks about someone who has problems related to either with the health, money, or some problems at home front. Now again, as I said, may not hold true, but this is what the repeated numbers usually indicate. If you have number 8 once, it talks about someone who's really hardworking, lot of energy, active mind, down to earth to a certain extent, but their willpower is strong. If you have number 8 twice, it talks about someone who gets things done, but they are very conscientious. They will never think of hurting anyone or taking revenge. If you have number 8 3 times, it talks about someone who has good luxuries in life, but they are materialistic, they are greedy. If they have 1 car, they would like to have 2 cars. If they just got a promotion, they're like, how can I get the salary raise or the next year? And this may be just a natural habit. This is what 888 indicates. Now 8 4 times indicates someone who has so much of mental energy, they may make them restless. The impulsive decisions, and sometimes they make wrong decisions. Now money wise, I don't think having 8 4 times causes issues. They travel a lot, but somewhere they might start showing off. They might become inconsiderate. Number 9, if you have once repeated in your date of birth, it talks about someone who has high ideals, who thinks about the world, giving back to community. They are very smart. They are humanitarian. Number 1 2 times, yes, they are smart, humanitarian, Their mind energy will be more, but somewhere they become critical. They find faults with others. Their mental energy is so high, they get things done faster and better way, that they don't realize how to communicate to others, that others may not have the same energy. They take their own time. So this habit may cause frictions or rifts at work or even relationships. Number 9, if you have 3 times, talks about someone who has high ideals, who thinks of how they can make changes in the world, how they can impact humanity. Number 9, 4 times, talks about someone who has such high ideals that they may just think about their own high ideals, or they're living in their own ideals. And also, yes, because of the so much mental energy, they are smart, yes, they don't know how to utilize that. So either it will make them lazy, or you will see them that they're always involved doing something, either at home or they're at the workout, fitness, gym areas. One way or the other, they need to keep themselves busy because they just can't sit idle. Now, before I share the bonus tip, next week I'll be sharing the remedies, the solutions for when you have these repeated numbers in your date of birth as per the Loshu grid. But if you want to learn more about the Loshu grid, I'm leaving the descriptions below and also the playlist here. Now, the bonus tip is, if you have the money related issues, or you're not getting the job, or you were laid off from the job, or you find it hard to get the job, try to keep a money plant with 3 or 4 stems in the east direction of your home. And also when you are out and about for the interview, take any coin, quarter size coin, cover it with green paper and stick it in your wallet and take it with you when you are leaving the home, just before leaving the home for the interview. It will give you support. I hope you enjoy this episode. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. Until next week, take care.